person send you file for WhatsApp, maybe picture, video or document. He send them for your WhatsApp and you want forward them to somebody email address. The thing a very simple thing. See what thing you go do here. Open your WhatsApp, then you go to the person, the chat where the file there where you want forward to. Once you open them, then you go look for the file where you want forward to somebody email address. Whether na me send that to them or na send to me, na send the same thing, na the same method. So if you say want for email address, the next thing which I go do now this, I hold the document or the image or video, anyone, I go select them. I don't hold until select. The next thing, I tap this three icon. It appears say what? Share. Now as it says share, I wait for the share to open. Now I say what? Siam, share, Bluetooth, WhatsApp business and the rest. Now emailing what? So I just go what? Gmail. I tap Gmail. As I tap Gmail, I wait for Gmail to open. Siam, you see say Gmail don't open. You see the document abi? The document they don't dey attached. So I don't need to stress myself so I can go maybe find storage or this place to this place. No. From that WhatsApp, I don't select them. I don't click what share. I don't choose Gmail. So it is here now. So which email? This from now saying which email are they sent from? See the email where they sent from. If you can't be say maybe I get like 2 or 3 emails for my Gmail. If I get 2 or 3 emails for my phone, if you be send up with this one I want sent to, I just tap this arrow, this sign here. If I tap them, you see more options don't come outside. So if now this one I want use, I tap this one. You see say it don't change to this one I be. Then now to that to means which email address are they sent to. Maybe if now something like this. See am abi? Then I just what? Add recipient. You don't see them. So once you done, I don't add where they send them to. If not 2 people, if not 3 people, I add their email addresses. If another person, see I add the person. Add. So as many what I want send to. Then when I don't finish the attachment, see the attachment there, the from there, the to there. Then the next thing what? Now to tap send. Now to tap send. So once I tap send, it don't go straight to the person email address. Next thing where you go see now say message sent. Once they show you message sent, it don't go to the person email address. So now so you go take forward anything, if not picture, if not video, if not document, now so you go take forward that to person email address from your WhatsApp without stressing yourself.